Go read.
Go. This book belongs to my friend.
Okay, next page.
Okay.
Read now.
Миш, подожди, я скажу. 5 апреля.
One day Dora and one day Dora and one day Dora was reading the big book on her sleeve. Rhymes all to her baby brother and sister, the twins, stealing up next to their biggest big sister to hear big sister hear their favorite rhyme.
Okay, next.
Jack and Jack and Will went up hill to the fridge a barrel of water. Silly Dora and David saw a biggest ray fly over Jack's and Name's hill and over Fulber. Storm began to blow powerful. The the storm was so strong that it threw Jack and threw down the hill. After the clouds blew and
Louder, please.
away and the storm had stopped, Dora and twins noticed
Notice.
that Jack stopped. Dora and the twins noticed that Jack and the hill had crumbled far from their hill. Help! Cried Jack and hill.
Kill.
And we did got you. Get back to hill. We need to use our story powers to help. We need use story powers to help. For story book and band.